Alright guys, this is what I got. This is the Mantis Q from Yuneec. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. I'm gonna do unboxing with this. And the reason why I'm showing you guys here, because I don't want to compare this to Spark, and you don't want to always want to compare this to Mavic Air. I think Yuneec, they're a good brand, and for what you're getting, hopefully this one will do great. Because I actually flown their first drone, the foldable drone, the Breeze. I liked it, but the only thing that I don't really like about Yuneec is the fact that they start making with quad with 5 propellers, 6 propellers. I don't know, I'm not into that. A lot of people said, oh, okay, what happened if one of the motor goes out? Then you can still fly. Okay, how about what happened if one of the battery goes out? What's gonna happen next? So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what's inside in here. You got some instructions, and let's see, what is this? Okay, just unique stuff here. You can more instructions. All right. This one's supposed to have 33 minutes flight time, but we're gonna go ahead and see. And what else? What's else in the box? Let's go ahead and take it all out. This is the drone itself. It has like a little, kind of like a, I don't want to say cheap. If I compare this to the first generation of Yuneec Breeze, yes, this quality is a little bit better. The propellers here, the way the motors, brushless motors. And let's go ahead, and they got the bottom position sensing, and they're still using this ultrasonic sound sensor here. And and this is the battery. The battery here is, there is no you can't tell if how low battery you are or if this one is full or not, because it doesn't have any thing on it, like a button that will show, or any indicator or whatever. But let's see. Okay, what else it comes with? Something like SD card. Oh, okay, it does come with their own how many gigs does this one have? Oh, we give you a 16 gig SD card. Wow. Okay. So we give you a SD card already. Let's go ahead and put this guy here. Sorry guys, this is my, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the controller. Okay, controller looks small. This controller just remind me, the way the size of this controller just remind me of how you call this, Ananapi. It has that little, hopefully your phone will fall. But anyway, this is the controller. So you have to, so you cannot, to put this, you gotta put it down like this. You cannot go up the other way. So you only got one way to put it. And then you have a Usbc charger here. And then I don't know about this one here. I think this is where you put your lightning cable, or I don't know why it didn't come with lightning cable. And this is your taking picture and video, and this is your yaw and your controller, and this the gimbal. Okay, but it doesn't have, it did not come with the case. you know, most likely all the portable drones come with a case. I mean, even the Spark. I mean, I don't know why Yuneec did not come up with that. This is the charger. You can see here. And okay. And I got USB-C charger. You can see here. I don't know if they need a lightning cable for this. I don't know why they did not require one. I'm gonna go ahead and put my own lightning cable. And this one right here is the, wow, they give you extra hub. This is the hub charger. So if you want more batteries, you can just buy 2 more. And what else comes with this? I don't know why. Maybe they're trying to limit cost or something. But this thing did not come with anything else. Okay, this comes with the props here. Okay, it comes with the propellers. And it comes with the screw. So, to do this, I guess you just go ahead and use, oh, okay. So you still have to screw it on the side here. You guys can see that. So you still have to screw in the sides. I thought it come, you know, so it did not come with the tool. Did it come with the tool? So if you're in a field and you break a props, so you better bring a tool with you. A little Phillip screwdriver. But to my, okay, even a cheap drones, they come with the, they give you a screwdriver. I don't know the reason why they did not require that. I don't know the reason why they did not give that here. I mean, for $500 something, you know, you'd expect, I mean, you expect this drone to have a case, and you would expect this drone to have screwdriver. I mean, if you're out there and hit up, I mean, imagine this drone does not have obstacle avoidance. This is the only thing about I'm not really too happy with Yuneec, is the fact that, you know, especially a portable drone like this, and people gonna be flying this on doing selfie, you know, using this for selfie videos and all that kind of stuff, and not having obstacle avoidance, you know, I think it's a must, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead see how the performance this guy go. I'm gonna put this on the extreme win. That's what I do. I'm an extreme guy. If you see my video, that's what I do. If I do a review on this guy, I actually put it in the field. I mean, exhaust moments. You'll see this guy fly and how it works. So, and like I said, it did not come with, okay, all this right here. And you know, you'd expect like a case. So sorry, it's a over here. So this is my Spark in the Mavic case. You can probably buy this now for like $10. But we're gonna go ahead and see if this will fit. This is most likely in universal. You see? I mean, it fits. So I mean, at least if Yuneec did that, for the price they're selling this drone for, at least it comes with a decent kind of case. And you can see here what I just did with this is cool, because you can, you know, you can not only restricted for what drone you're gonna put in here, but you can put like a Mavic Air, you can put DJI Spark here, you can put any portable foldable drone in this size without no problem. And you can actually put the whole thing, even the controller, even the charger, and that's a cool thing to have. But I don't know the reason why Yuneec did that though. I mean, the Breeze drone came with one. I mean, I don't know, they're trying to limit it on cost, but I mean, look, they got the USB-C, but people like myself got an iPhone 10s, you know, and or whatever, and we're not gonna have that because this one right here has the USB-C cable. It doesn't have the lightning cable for the iPhone. So I don't know if this iPhone friendly, but we're gonna go ahead and figure it out. But if you get this case, it fits. So, and you can get this now at Amazon for probably like $10 for this case. And not only that, guys, you can also put some accessories here, like maybe your SD card or other stuff here, or maybe you have extra battery for this. You can actually mount it here. And I don't know why Yuneec did not come up with a case. If you have the Anatomy drone, it comes with a case, at least a little pouch, you would say. And I think that's the only thing issue. But we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. I don't want to say anything about this drone. Like I said, I've flown Yuneec drones in the past, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. And for me, portable is king. If you have a foldable drone, and this is the way to go. And it's easy to carry, so, especially if you're adventurous. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and go from here.